Alright guys, we're here in Warrenton Wholesale. I'm gonna do a store tour. Big ass store. They just moved across the street, brand new store. But we'll get to it. They got these pallets already made up. Bunch of cakes. When you go through it, I mean there's probably 30 cakes close to it. Each one of those. And I'm just gonna kind of run through this little section right here. But little backpacks, party poppers. These ones are some of the bigger ones that I've seen of these spinners. They've got the window version, fantasy, sparklers, tons of sparklers, tons of sparklers. I mean, 50 cents. 50 cents a pack. Great prices on all of this stuff. Wizard wands, naughty dogs, snaps, Catmobile, lunar landers, ground balloons, some little satellites. Satellites $1.99 a pack. Head spin, magic jellyfish, $10 for that pack. $1.99 for Sky Song. Ladybugs, zines, nuclear orbiters, monster trucks. There's spinners. All the spinners, all of them. Funny dragonfly. Oh, Mario, look at that. Getting into some fountains over here. Just real cheap prices. I mean, 75 cents. Great pricing throughout the whole store. More fountains. I mean, just tons of stuff. I mean, they're just completely stocked up on a lot of things. All your smokes, camo smokes, color smokes, 5-minute smokes, black smoke. These looks like handheld color smokes, smoke grenades, gender reveal smokes, little smoke balls, some crackling balls. There's some monster snaps. Get into some firecrackers over here. Black Cat's $1.99. Badass. $1. Whole strip. $1. Parachutes. Single shot parachutes. Got some missiles down there. Mammoth parachute. Little toy soldiers in some of these. More missiles right there. Into the 9 to your rockets. Little mini artillery shells. 1 inch. Great. Bigger little model rockets. Tons of them. I'll go do this now. Your Roman candles. Tons of the big ones. The little rocket pack. Got 31 rockets in it. There's another one. Big old Morning Glories. Little assortment pack here. Floating ghosts. These are really cool. Got the. This is the small, even though it's a bigger package. They're smaller, and then you've got the large, but you've got the way bigger ones in it. AK-47s. I always thought those were funny. Baseball bats, Thor's hammer. Got the swords. More of the AKs, guns. You got fountains, cone fountains. 12-inch cone fountains. Fountain packs. The energy cones. These are great. These are 7s, and got the big ones. You can see how big they are. 13. They're heavy. I mean, these things weigh probably 3 or 4 pounds. Soccer balls, footballs. Got your ice cream cones. Dolphins, rhinos, elephants. What is this thing? Anteater. Got a frog. More of the cones. You got some strobes. Strobe rockets right there. So we'll go over here. Hit this wall. It's gonna be kind of a longer video. I'm gonna try to go through the whole store. These candles are big. Pack of them. $17, 5 shots in each one. Looks like there's 8 candles right there. What are these? 4-pack. 5 shots each. You got your big rolls. 8,000s. This is a big roll. 4,000. 26 bucks. 1,000. $6. Jumping jacks. Saturn missiles. 300 shot. $11. 200 for $9. Look how big that thing is. 750 shot. 25 pack. 25 shot, $1. 100 shot, $4. There's your rockets, invaders, flying pigs, screaming pigs, soaring wolf, sky patriot, sinister, smile, pirate skull, master color ballistics. And we got all your assortments. This thing's massive. Absolutely massive. And this is even bigger. I mean, look how big my hand is on his hat. It's 5 foot tall, easy. Alright, some assortments. America's Fury. American Pride. Forever. Ammo box. Make it boom. I mean, there's so much product in this store, guy. So much. Alright, here's go through some fountains that they got over here. SpongeBob, Patrick. Let's look it up. Palooza. Patrick, $10. Tanks, the Minions. $11. $8 for the duck. Fountain Dew, $8. Some more assortments. We got them all over the place. Really big in-house brand fountain. Here's some other ones. And here's another great thing about this store. TVs everywhere. Right here. You can scan any product in the store and it'll show you exactly what it does. We'll go down this one with more fountains. A big Mario down there. Godzilla and Kong. I bet you this guy's cool. It probably lights up in there somehow. Dragons, unicorns, kids love them. This one's really cool if you haven't seen it. And I bet you this thing is too whenever it pops those out. It'll probably get on the ground and spin. But more fountains. Got another assortment right here. Some more parachutes. 25 shots and there's 10 parachutes per shot. So there's 250 parachutes in that thing. Princess, military, red, white, and blue one. All parachutes. $10. Another in-house brand fountain. Lasts a real long time. Massive. $60 shot. 181 shot. 61 shot. It's getting into some of the 200s, maybe some 350s, but some Girandolas up here. Alien Escape, Space Invader, Occupy Mars. Carries a lot of Miracle product. Winda, Happy Family, Sky Painter, Sky Song. It's got Brothers here as well. Did I say raccoon? I don't know if I said raccoon. He's got raccoon as well. And he's also got in-house brand, which most of these full tops would be. Aces High, Lighted Up, Crossbones, Pull the Pin, Gangsta, Shockwave. More Brothers. $3.99. $3.99. $3.99. $3.99. $4.99. All of these, $4.99. Honestly, I'd probably be picking some of those up. A 200-gram little Noab looking, $15. Looks like probably a 1-inch tube on it. Which I've already got some of these. These are great 16 shot. I mean, they got some weight to them. They're heavy. It's that in-house brand. 1.2 Noab. Sky Painter. Some more of the Miracle. 200 grams. I'll go to this back wall here in a minute. Window. Bubble gap. Crisscross. More in-house brand. Tons of product. Just tons of product. The people here are awesome as well. Just very knowledgeable. They know what's going to look good in the show that you're trying to make. But more Miracle. These are like 500s. 500-gram cakes. $21, $18. 21, 18, 12. But I'll go over here real quick. I got a ton. All your zippers, Sky Painter, Miracle, Happy Family, Miracle. That thing is massive. Miracle. I want to say some of this stuff is new stuff that they just got into. Like this one is a brand new for this year. 105. Freedom Free, Freedom Rumble, Good Times, Zip and Zap, Mardi Gras. I want to say these two are new. These are kind of your finale sets. Bull Market, Insane, Out of This World, Rising Power, Blizzard of Oz, Color Wars, VIP, Boy Oh Boy, Aerial Chaos. I mean, that's $100. You don't see them that cheap. We got the Navy Seals by Raccoon, 120. Max Load 10. There's a Max Load 8 down there. Max Load 1 over here. It's a Party Pyro pack. They broke them up. It's up by the case, or they've got it up there. You can buy the whole case. Your Noabs. He's not a single Noab. Has over $100. 80, 70, 85, 70, 80, 80, 60, 80, 80, 80, 90. I mean, they've got, just tons of product, guys. I'm really gonna kind of zip through this. This video is getting really long, to be truthfully honest. Trying to show you everything. I mean, they've got a ton of stuff. It's like these right here, $10. Carry Sunwing as well. More 500 cakes. Raccoon. There. That's a new one. It's a whole section of raccoon. Willow King, awesome cake. $22. Huge cakes. Banana split, $20. This is more there. This is the Bad Donkey, 56 shot cake, $35. More the Bad Donkey. And all of these over here, you can kind of get in a pack. Because all up top are all cases with all of that stuff in it. Instead of singles. If you want the whole case, they'll do the whole case. There's more. I mean, just great pricing on everything. Lots of happy family. Lots of happy family. Here's what's on the end. 32 shot, Red, White, and Boom by Miracle. Got some Black Cat stuff here too. Alright. Bigger than yours. Compound. Blockbuster Finale. They've got the Gatling guns and refills. $100. Get the gun and 3 tubes with it. $16,000 roll, $70. Captain's Finale by Sunwing, $110. Some raccoon shells. More Black Cat. 4-inch out locos. Some shells. Never seen this style of box before. $60. Double barrels. Killer torpedoes. $90. Tiki bombs. $80. Ginormous shells, $90. Miracle Annihilation, $70. $90. Kraken, $70. Liberty, $70. This is a house brand. Thunder Willows, $90. More Tiki Bombs, the Witch Doctor edition, $90. Air Power. Million Shells, Sky Painter, or Project X, Neon Beef, Out of This World, Dead Carnival, Neon Diablo, Magnum Shells, Invasion Begins, Punishers, Dia de los Muertos, Quest, all your raccoon preloads. I picked up every single one of these. University of Monsters, Warhammer, $60. $60. 12 shells, $30. Your smaller packs, 12s. Here's your 6s, $16. Double thump, I'm assuming double break, $40. Got some ball shells. Looks like some mini cans, some more balls. If you're a Dr. Pepper fan. in-house brand of some ball shells, $9. But yeah, guys, this store is awesome. The people that are here are awesome. And they still got a ton of room for even more product that they've got coming in. So come on out and check them out. Warrenton Wholesale Fireworks in Missouri. They just moved. Big parking lot, nice clean store. Yeah, we'll do some more of these store tours as I get to them. But until then, come check out this place. Great pricing. All right, Pyros, take it easy.